Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I just wanted to share a funny story. At least people will always think it was funny when I would share this story back in the day. And for some reason it popped into my mind recently. So I decided to share. So I dated a Haitian or Haitian for 6.5 years, right? And once upon a time, my landlord was Haitian. Um, he helped me get the apartment or whatever the case may be, because they didn't really want to rent to an American, right? But as time went by, the husband loved me because I was a good tenant. I paid my rent, whatever. And the wife, she didn't particularly care for me, which seems to happen with women, but that's neither here nor there. So things happen. I'm not going to get into all the details, but one of the funniest things, I opened up the door. I was on the second floor, so it was a 2-family house. They lived on the first floor and with their children, and I lived on the second floor. So I opened up the door. I sent my son downstairs. He was probably 7 or 8 years old at the time, right? I sent him downstairs, because I would drop him off to school and then I would head on to work. So I sent him downstairs. I grabbed something. I don't know if it was a bag, my lunch, or whatever it was, but I forgot something, so I grabbed it. It was like less than a minute. But I was right behind him, locked the door. But in the meantime, as he was going down the stairs, he wasn't, the landlord, the husband wasn't home, but the wife was. So she opened up her door and she saw Jamie coming down the stairs. So later on, she said, "Miss Brown, Jamie was take a pee in the hole." And it's funny because I sound just like her. My son didn't pee in the hall though. But that was one of the funniest things. Miss Brown, Jimmy was take a pee in the hole. Shout out to my Haitian family. I love y'all. Later.